Today's topic is how to use a step down transformer in 6 other ways. Here I have shown one step down transformer. Primary winding is rated for 240 volt 1 ampere and secondary winding is rated for 24 volt 10 ampere. I will show you one by one all 6 ways, but transformer quality has to be good for using this transformer in 6 different ways. This has become step up transformer 24 volt by 240 volt. Here secondary low voltage winding is used as a input and primary high voltage winding is used as a output. If here you give 24 volt, you will get 240 volt here. In this winding, we cannot give more than 24 volt, otherwise transformer will burn. This has become step up auto transformer 240 volt by 264 volt. I have made only one extra connection, this one. If we give here 240 volt, here we will get 264 volt, 240 plus 24 volt. This output is more because in the output this winding and this winding are added. There is no isolation in this transformer in between input and output. You can see 2 dots here. This dot indicates the polarity of this winding. This blue color dot indicates the polarity of this winding. So, we have to be careful of polarity. We cannot make this connection here. Now, this has become step down auto transformer 264 by 240 volt or 240 by 218 volt. Here I have made only one extra connection, this one. Here we can give 240 volt input, here we will get 218 volt output. There will not be any isolation between primary and secondary. Here voltage is more because this winding turns are added to this winding turn in the primary. This dot indicates the polarity of this winding, this dot indicates the polarity of this winding. Now, this has become a inductive load. Here what I have done, high voltage primary winding is shorted using a wire. A secondary low voltage winding is used as a load. This will show L plus R both. R is due to resistance of the winding wire. Better the quality of transformer, the value of R will be less. Same stepped out transformer is used here as a CT of the current ratio 10 ampere by 1 ampere. Low voltage winding is used as a primary and is connected in series of the main wire, and high voltage winding is used as a secondary. A load of 5 ohm is connected across this winding. When current flows here 10 ampere, 1 ampere current will flow here, there will be 5 volt drop here and there will be 0.5 volt drop here. Now, this has become isolation transformer 240 volt by 240 volt. I have used two transformers, one here, one here. They are connected back to back. If we give here 240 volt, here we will get 240 volt. There will be double isolation, one here, one here. Percentage impedance of this transformer will be double than the normal transformer. I explain you 6 ways of using this transformer. This transformer quality should be very good. Then only you can use in all 6 ways. Today we will close now.